Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing a braces update video. So here are my teeth, and I got new colors. I got teal and purple, as you guys can see. And yeah, also like I told you before, I got my expander out this time, so I don't know if you guys can tell that there's no expander up there anymore. So I got that out. That's a good thing. Plus, but a bad thing that happened was I got these. I got elastics. And they're supposed to help my underbite. But it's good. They're good because I know they're going to help and fix my teeth and make them look pretty. But they're bad because they have to take them out every single time and I brush my teeth. But it's going to suck. I have to take them out and put them back in and out. So now it's probably going to make me not eat as much. But anyway, and right now, I just got them yesterday, so my teeth are like in extreme pain right now. So, yeah, and I got new wires too. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have braces, had braces, or are going to get braces. I have them. So if you had them, that means like in the past you had them before. If you have them, it means you have them right now, like on your teeth. And if you are gonna have them, it means like you're gonna get them in the future. Anyway, so please comment down below, and also comment down below more questions for my WeChat Wednesdays and more video suggestions. Okay, thanks. And guys, I'm just gonna warn you that if you do when you get braces, they hurt, or whenever you get them tightened, they hurt for quite a while. But then you'll get used to them, and they'll just be like easy. You can eat whatever you want. So yeah, bye.